They're nice, they're specially made though.
They're really nice. Don't suppose you need to Jacob, give me your camera.
December the 9th, 2022. Just arrived at EK. Today they're going to split the rear fuselage just left of the letter D as we look at it.
They've got all the bolts out, have they?
They have converted an old bomb trailer to become an adjustable fuselage transporter. They have another under construction, a second one, so they'll be able to remove the Lancaster fuselage and swap them over more easily. Dave climbs aboard along with Jacob. Jacob has my second camcorder and hopefully he'll shoot the video as the two sections part. Dave and Norman yesterday took over 260 nuts and bolts from around the two flanges which hold the two sections together. We're waiting for John, who's in charge of this operation this morning. Man the four wheels for a gentle push. The support frame slightly moved, but not the fuselage, so adjustment had to be made to the supports. I will show that piece of video again. If you look closely, you can see the fuselage rocking but not separated.
Nothing's happening, the whole thing's moving.
The whole thing's moving.
John and Norman should check to see if there's any sealant between the frames is holding her together.
Gave you a little rub on the neck.
John inspects the problem. He remembers last time they parted this section, there were several bolts hidden under a flange. So they set out for checking these. That was the problem. So Dave is about to remove them. I'll check on Keith and how he's doing with the French wing while Dave removes the bolts. How many have you got done now, Keith?
This is the last one.
Oh, good. John is still working on the forelift between the wing fuel tanks.
Yeah, vodka foam like that. As you can see, that edge is curved.
Yes.
It's curved up, it's not flat.
Yeah, it is, yes. Yeah, the top edge and you can see the top and the bottom
Yeah.
go together, don't they?
Yeah,
Yeah.
you can only shrink so much material,
Yeah.
then you've got to try and lose it.
Yeah, all right, thanks, Keith. Yeah.
Unless there, because you're having to shrink less material.
The curve's
on
getting
there.
less,
Yeah,
isn't
because
it?
the curve is less on here, then obviously it is on there. It's a lot tighter on there.
Yeah. Oh, good, we're coming on.
So you're trying to get that, keep it flat, take the warp out of it, and also you've got the other bend on the inside that you have to address as well.
Yeah. Does that bend stop it from warping much, or do you get the same amount of warp?
Well, you can see, look. See the
Yeah.
twist in it?
Yeah, you can, yeah.
Yeah. Well, that's got to be trimmed off
Yeah.
and dressed up as well. So,
Yeah.
but you have to try and keep everything as flat, because if you run it along the surface table, you'll pick up on that high point and that high point. Yeah. There's a gap here.
Yeah.
So it's called, you're scrubbing a straight line to the surface. So of course it will start off wide and then get narrow and then get wide again.
Yeah.
So you've got to try and take a bit of that bow out of it and try and press it down so you get the right.
Yeah.
And a lot of it you can't press right flat anyway because it's too hard, because there's too much material there.
Yeah. Right. So, okay. Oh,
It's called a vernier height gauge.
yeah.
If you look on it, it's all scaled up.
Yes.
It's like exactly the same as a normal vernier caliper.
Yeah.
But it's set on a height gauge, so you can set it to exactly what height you want along there, and then that sharp edge, you just drag it around your material. Let's check it along.
How high does it want to be?
Pardon?
How high does it want to be?
Well, the flange, it says it doesn't tell you on the drawing what it is. It tells you what the radius is, 5/16 of an inch, what the radius on the bend.
Yeah.
But then it leaves it to your own kind of thing. So I've made it 3/8, which is like a 16th over.
Yeah.
So it gets round the bend, and then you've got a little bit of flange there to keep it.
Yeah.
Then all you do is just make sure it's flat all the way round, and you just drive it.
So as long as you press it to the surface, you get in the same result, aren't you, all the way around?
Yeah, that's right. No way you get it accurate if you used a rule or anything like that.
No.
You've got to take it from, because you want it from this flat face.
Yeah. Yeah.
Comes up, you get the scribed line in it.
Yep.
And it's the same height all the way round.
Yeah. Yeah, there's no way you can measure that from that
Well,
face, is there?
you can't measure it and then mark it and then
Yeah.
join all the dots up and...
So you'll cut that off now, and will you do the same with the outside?
Yeah, the outside, that's 3/4 of an inch.
Yeah.
That's got to be, but it's just over an inch at the moment.
Yeah.
But you see what I was saying about
Oh yeah.
the gap?
Yeah. Will you try and take that out?
Yeah,
Obviously
that's what
before.
you've got to try and get rid of it before you mark it.
Yeah.
Because otherwise
You
it'll
get-
start off 3/4 there, but you'll lose it in the middle and it will
Yeah.
go back to... And then as you get round, it's even worse there, look.
Yeah. Yeah. It's up of nearly 1/8 of an inch, isn't it?
Yeah.
16th anyway.
Well, you can see where the red line is where it's flat, because that was flat when I marked that on. You can see
Yeah.
now it's curved.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's the trouble you're trying to get. It's such a tight bend round there.
Yeah.
You find in some of them I might have to put another thin slot in that
Yeah.
to let some of the material go,
Yeah.
because that's what they've done on the old ones.
Yeah.
Put it so when it's all done and dressed, the two plates are practically touching.
Yeah. So, when they made them in the past, do you think they would have pressed them out or not?
I don't know. I don't know whether they pressed them or not.
No.
Lots of all modern day stuff is all pressed,
Yeah.
but then it's tickled up afterwards. you
Yeah.
know,
Yeah.
on the bench.
Right. Thank you, Keith. The polythene tent houses the Lancaster rear fuselage. It's where Mike has been spraying. Back to Just Jane and splitting of the fuselage. How many left to go, Jacob? One. Good.
On the last one right now.
Finger.
We think.
Man the wheels.
Everything out.
Oh, away. Parting of the waves.
Oh my god, this is weird. Clear. Clear. Wave, Dave.
Don't wobble about too much. Yeah, keep going. I'll sit here the rest of the day, shall I?
And that's how you split a fuselage. That's how you split a fuselage.
Well done.
Not sure how good the exposure was because the light was a bit odd, but
Yeah. Oh, good.
So it was green at some point.
That's the first job of the sailor.
Yeah.
Mike officially has been the bits. Because they've got
You had 5 bolts, Dave, which were still in. Which ones were they?
Hey?
You said you had 5 bolts.
8 bolts.
8 bolts.
Them ones along there. They're tucked underneath that. Look, I couldn't see them, but luckily John remembered from the first time they parted it that
Well, the top ones are with the one at the bottom.
his one's here.
Oh, the small ones.
Yeah, so they were tucked right under here where we couldn't see them, so we just ended all those, we didn't know they were under there.
Yeah.
And John remembered from the first time they parted it, they were there. So.